Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update from Mani Talwar Makeovers. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with my new video. Today I'm going to show you that how you can do a smoky eyes, not with a black color, but you can do smoky with some different darker color also. So don't wasting much time, going straight towards the tutorial. Starting with my eyebrows, I'm using my most used palette, that is Magic, and I'm going to take the brown shade from the palette to do my brows, filling up my brows using an angular brush. Here's the difference, so doing my second brow off camera. Using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer to conceal my eyebrows. It is the most important step while doing makeup as it enhances your brows. Next, I'm applying this concealer on my eyelids also, as it provides base for the eyeshadow. I'm using a drugstore palette and taking a brown color for the crease line. We are going to blend it nicely as it will provide depth to the eye. Now I am taking the purplish blue color from Magic, applying it on my eyelids with the applicator brush. And smudging it gently in the round direction. Now I am taking the highlighter from the same drugstore palette and applying it on my brow bone to highlight it. Using this color bar primer as it provides a matte base to the makeup and smudging it into the face. Now I am using the LA Girl orange color corrector and applying it to all the areas on my face which is pigmented and also on my dark circles, blending it with the beauty blender. Now I am applying concealer on the corrector and on my lower cheeks to hide the corrector and have to blend it also. I'm using the Kryolan base today, FS38 and Ivory from the Supra palette, applying it on my face and blending it properly. You have to blend the base properly as it is the most important step. Your blending game should be perfect all the time. Now, setting the base with the setting powder from Maybelline and using the DJ2 from Kryolan Derma palette for contouring my nose and my cheeks. Now I'm going to lock my rest of the base with the setting powder. Applying this blusher on the apple of the cheeks. This blusher is from O2O. Next, I'm using Faces Canada Charcoal Kajal Pencil, applying it on my lower lash line and smudging it to provide a smudged kajal look. Now I'm using the same brown eyeshadow and doing under eye smudging to create a perfect smoky look. I'm going to apply the loose highlighter powder from Forever 52 in my inner corners. Applying the same highlighter on my cheekbones on both the sides, on my forehead, on my nose, on upper lips and chin also. I had applied lashes off camera, now I'm using mascara. applying my most favorite lipper from Maybelline Lip Gradation. So this is the end of my look. I hope you guys like this video. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and the pics of this look are in the row.